I'm here to introduce you to a completely new approach to fiber testing. The Optical Explorer is the industry's first optical fiber multimeter, OFM. It's a new purpose-built category of tools empowering frontline techs to effectively carry out installation, activation, and repair operations. It speeds up link health verification with embedded fault tracking, all in one single-ended test that's quick and easy. With the increasing volume of fiber being rolled out, the Optical Explorer is perfect to equip large crews of frontline technicians from any level of experience or background, whether it is electrical, copper, or fiber. The Optical Explorer brings a brand new testing approach to the industry because it goes beyond basic testing as compared to power meters and fault locators. Unlike traditional instruments in their toolbox, it is designed to help technicians accomplishing their tasks. Each technician gets more autonomy to solve issues, enabling a leaner troubleshooting process. Let me give you a quick overview of how this is possible. First of all Optical Explorers are equipped with useful tools such as light source that can be operated in continuous mode or modulated signal. You can also activate a timer if needed. It also includes a power checker to verify power level or loss, or to detect a tone to identify a fiber. You can also customize threshold in the setting tabs. Now, what is great about this is that it's an intelligent device. There are no setting required, so anyone who is not familiar with setting thresholds or maximum values for loss, attenuation, or reflectance can operate this unit. In the Flash Advisor mode, which you can access using this simple icon, it displays link length, insertion loss, optical return loss, and provides a unique 5-star rating diagnosis, all under 3 seconds, which is, by the way, the fastest link verification ever done in the industry. It's a single-ended test, ideal for instant length check or mass volume control on cables prior or after installation and repair. You can view the default parameters by extending this menu. The star rating provides a qualitative evaluation of how efficiently and robustly a link is built in relation to the length of the link under test. We developed algorithms that analyze fiber links based on industry best practices and over 30 years of expertise in fiber testing. We call this the Expo Advisor, which is our 5-star link quality indicator. But there's more. What really makes this device unique is that within 5 seconds, in Fault Explorer mode, the unit will display the star rating, IL, ORL, and length, but it will also track potential faults. It won't waste time on good links, but in case of suspected underlying issues, the Optical Explorer will automatically allocate extra testing time to precisely identify location, loss, reflectance, and event type. Or it will just clear all doubts. And if you know your thresholds, you can work in pass-fail mode simply by selecting the mode that you prefer right over here. This means faster installation, activation, and quicker mean time to repair, all with increased quality. It allows to fully leverage the presence of techs on site while eliminating cost and delays associated with dispatching experts and truck rolls. For example, a technician can run a power check test. If power is low, switch to Fault Explorer mode, find the faulty event, solve the problem on the spot without escalation. And then the tech can leave the site assured that the link is ready for seamless acceptance, activations, or service recovery. So that means that when the OTDR trace is needed for acceptance, the expert technician comes, shoots the trace, and can close more jobs in one day. This unit comes in 2 different versions, the Pro and the Basic. Both versions are available in installation, so 1310, 1550 nanometers, or maintenance, filtered 1650 nanometers models. I've already covered what is included in both versions, but here's how the Pro version, such as the one I'm holding right now, becomes really interesting. On the Pro version, you will see an additional mode, Link Mapper. This mode documents the entire optical link, including sections length and all detectable faults or elements on the links after installation or repair. This becomes very useful when multiple events are close to each other and you need to identify right away which one is faulty. The other really cool aspect of this Pro version is the patent-pending click-out optical connector. This allows you to click out your unit's connector and swap it for a brand new one on the go. We came up with this technology to address the hidden or unplanned maintenance costs that can be challenging. These costs often include periodic calibration, entry connector replacement in factory, downtime, and logistics issues due to shipping. And when sent for calibration, we learned that 95% of units have severely damaged connectors and they need replacement. Connectors are typically specified by connector manufacturers for 500 to 1,000 matings. With the click-out connectors, you can find out if your connector needs replacement just by going in the settings, select the optical output diagnosis, select your connector type, and get a health diagnosis of your connector. It's important to disconnect your connector only when maintenance is needed to maximize its benefits. So together with the click-out connectors and the multiple other factors that are offered on both the Pro and Basic versions, such as field replaceable and rechargeable battery that can last over 10 hours of use on a single charge, lifetime calibration, which means no yearly factory return cost or downtime, as well as the 3-year warranty, and its ergonomic, robust design, it makes it the perfect fit for today's field technician. And we're really contributing to reducing downtime of your units and total cost of ownership. So, combined with power checking and light source capabilities in a rugged and compact form factor, the Optical Explorer is an intuitive field companion that upskills any field technicians. Don't forget to order your test code box and additional click-out optical connectors when you order your units. Get more information on exfil.com.